Good day everyone, mga kapongers, mga ka-all-right. Today is the day 28 of our daily message. And today is Easter Sunday, a reminder of hope, new beginnings, and second chances. Sa buhay at sa sports, hindi natatapos ang laban sa pagkatalo. There is always a comeback. There is always a new beginning for all of us. Today, I had the chance to visit North Victoria Sports and Leisure in Interlac. Wow, napakaganda ito. Maraming salamat sa warm welcome kay Boss Dison C. Napakaganda ng place, perfect ang training, bonding, and even team events. Complete amenities. Grabe, 6 table tennis tables, air condition, large swimming pool. There's a basketball gym, very nice, volleyball court, badminton courts, roller skating and skateboarding, and billiards hall, karaoke room, and soon tinatayo na ang pickleball gymnasium. Comfortable rooms, staycation for everyone, and training camps. Okay? Sa isang lugar, kompleto na ang lahat. Perfect for training camps, team building, family outings, and sport development sa mga schools and everything. For bookings, 0939-787, okay? 092, ilalagay ko lang dyan. Mas lalo na pag special visit na ito dahil nakasama na natin ang kaibigan natin. Itong pagpunta ko doon, kasama ko si Doc Carlo and company, kumpare ko Coach Sunny Ligutan, Joseph Dinoy, Coach Sed, and Christian J. Jimenez, Enrico Lorente, and the Victoria Paddlers Club. Yun, solid ang samahan, solid ang energy namin doon. Na-realize ko din today, table tennis is not just a sport, no? It brings people together. Kaya napakasaya namin doon yesterday. Now, let me share today's message, mga kapongers. New beginnings. Just like Easter, today, you can always start again. You can always improve. You can always become better. Kahit ilang beses ka matalo, hindi pa tapos ang laban mo. No, because in table tennis and in life,